Hey everybody, welcome back to Nick Vic Locks. Today I'm going to go over this new challenge lock that I just finished this morning. Not all that glitters is gold, is what I'm going to call it. It's got some custom key pins and some custom driver pins that I made. It looks unassuming, but it's a pain. So the key does work. It does stick a little bit, but it does have a key. The key does work. Come on, there we go. I don't want to show the bitting on this, but I will show you all some of the pins in it. Let's get this thing open. There we go. Come on. If we can get it open, that is. Honestly, this was the worst part of the whole thing. There we go. There, that's off. There we go. Now, whoever does get this and gut it, use a shim. I don't know if I can stress that enough. Use a shim. There we go. All right. There we go. Slide that out of the way. All right. I will tell you that 3 and 5 are standard key pins. So 1, 2, 4. Alright. So we're gonna focus. Maybe. Come on. Yeah, let's go like that, maybe. Try to block everything else. Well, here. Let's just do it like this. There you go. That's the driver in spot 1. Or a key pin in spot 1. Here is the key pin in spot 2. And our key pin in spot 3. Or 4. Zoom back out. Here we go. So chamber 5 is just a standard driver pin, anti-bump. Alright, zoom in again. Here we go. This is 1. 2. 3. There we go. 4. So I'm gonna put this up on Reddit. If anybody wants to have a whack at it, just reach out and let me know. All right, I guess like and subscribe.